Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about enumeration type. Enumeration type is a type that can define its own type. I know it might be a bit confusing, but don't worry, soon it will be explained. Well, enum stands for enumeration, right? And it means counting, right? So it means counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now you might be, why it's named like that? Don't worry, it will be soon explained. So, in order to create enum variable, so we have to do something like that. Type enum, then the name of our variable, so for example, day of week, and then there is something different here. We have to open curly brackets and after it add the semicolon. And now look, that name, that variable here, is really not a variable. It is a type. This is a type now. And we have to define in that curly brackets what can be assigned to the variable of type day of week. So when we create now something like day of week, and now for example, name our variable d, we want to define in that curly brackets here, inside here, what can we assign here. So for example, I want to be able to assign here something like m, which will represent Monday, right? So I will type here m. And now look, when I compile that thing, you'll notice that everything is working. Now I can assign to d m, right? Because d type is day of week, and we define the type here, right? And I can assign here, for example, key, because it is not here, but when I create here key, everything works fine. So we are specifying the set that can be assigned to the variable that will be the type will be day of week. Okay, so for example, what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For example, like that. Of course, we could do something like that, Monday, Thursday, and other things like that. But let's do it that way. And now I can, as you have noticed, I can assign here, for example, Monday, and I can send it easily to the output, like that. But, what will be sent to the output? As you can see, it is 0. When I change this guy to Tuesday, so this is the second guy here, as you can see, I have 1. So it means, and well, this thing is called enumeration because it is enumerating, it's counting. We have to count here, like that, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Sunday, when I change that guy to SN, you'll notice that it's 6, right? Great. Okay, so we created our own type, and we know how to send to the output some values, but let's see if I can do something like that. Cin, and let's take a value from the input. Can I do it? No, I can't do it because that operator is not specified for our type. We can't do it, okay? We can't also do something like, for example, that. I can't assign here 0. As you can see, invalid conversion from int to day of week, because that variable, the type is what? Is day of week. So I can't assign here integers. I know that when we send it to the output, it looks like integer, but he can't. Our compiler must do something, must send something to the output, and he doesn't understand the things that are here, like SN. What the hell is that, right? And so he has to do it that way, that he's enumerating the guys and sending to the output the value like specified by the position of that guys here, right? Okay, and now I'd like to also tell you about something like that. We can use the day of week like a function, that way, day of week, and then in the parentheses we can do something like, for example, Tuesday, and we will know what place it is specified in that set, right? As you can see, it was 1. Now might be like, hey, how to use that thing? And you have also noticed that we are counting Monday from 0. It might be not good. Let's change it. We can change the enumeration like that. Now, as you can see, Tuesday is 2 and Sunday was 7, right? Now we'll see 2 times 1. So now we change the enumeration. Now it is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we of course could do it like that it would start from 5, but I think that from 1 it would be a good idea. We can also change, for example, that guy to 5, and then day of week for Tuesday would be 5, for Monday it would be 1. So now we'll see 1 and 5, and Wednesday would be now 6. 5, 6. Let's check it out. As you can see, everything works fine. But we want to do it that way. And now we're going to be, hey, how to use it. Okay. Well, we can write, for example, a function that we will call the get day, and it will return the string, and it will have a parameter. The type is our type that we created, so day of week. So we have a declaration. Now we need to create a definition of our function, and here we can, for example, name that guy and switch now that d. And now we can do something like, for example, when in case it is Monday, please return the value which is what? In our situation, Monday, right? We don't need to add here break, because when we return the value, we are leaving the function instantly, right? So we don't need to add the break here statement. And what? Now we have to just specify that, guys, to all possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything is okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And now he'll return the string. Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And on default case, we will return you typed something wrong. Okay, something like that. And now we can use it, for example, like that. Get cout get day, and here I have to send, for example, m. Let's get that guys into the comment. And you'll notice that now when I sent here m, it was Monday. Well, we can't send here, for example, 0 or 1. We can't do it because we can't convert into day of week, right? And because of that, we'll use that thing here. Here, in that function, we can use easily 0, 1, or 2, or 3. Here we can do it. Look, when I do it that way, you'll notice that we will get the 1. So everything works fine here, right? 1, 4. This thing, of course, is representing then the Thursday, right? So that thing will return the Thursday, something like that. But on the output, we have to see the 4 or 1 and other things like that. So we'll take now, for example, the I, and we'll send the I here. Here we can ask enter the day of a week end line, and we can create a menu. So for example, 1 is Monday, 2 is Monday, Tuesday, and just all other days, right? It's easy to do it, so let's just, you can do it easily. And now let's see, now when I type Tuesday 2, we got the Thursday, of course, because I don't know how to name names in English, sorry. Okay, now when I type 2, it's Tuesday, okay, and when I type, for example, 7, it's Sunday, right? So we can even do it without that and enter the day of week, and when somebody types 7, we'll get the Sunday, and you know, hey, the 7th day in a week is called Sunday. Great. Okay, that's all in the lesson. Thank you very much.